Welcome back. This is the first part of a mini-series going through my process of making a basic pick. So make sure you hit that notification button to be notified when the next part is out. We will be talking about some basic tools for pick making today. This shouldn't have to be said, but safety glasses are a must. You don't want metal shavings in your eyes. A mask is also a good idea, along with a clean, organized work area and your loose clothing secured. All right, let's talk about tools. If you don't already have some of these tools, you can get them from most big box stores or hardware stores, or you can even borrow them. We will need a variety of wet dry sandpaper, such as this. I think this one came from Hobby Lobby, leftovers from another project that I was working on. You will also need a set of files or a rotary tool, like this one here. Doesn't have to be as fancy as this one. It can be a no-name brand. Just make sure that it comes with all the accessories when you purchase it. Cuts down on the cost. But we mainly need this so we can chunk out the material to shape our profile. I'd say most hobbyists have a rotary tool or know someone that they can borrow one from. Accessories you'll need for the rotary tool include cutting discs with a spindle and a sanding wheel, along with the extra cutoff discs and sanding drum sleeves that you're going to need. Usually you can find these in little kits like this here, or you can go ahead and pick up these Dremel kits from the big box stores or even Amazon. Your pick blank is probably the most important item out of all of this that you need, because without a pick blank, we wouldn't be making a pick. For this series, we are going to be using wiper blade inserts. As you can see, I have already cut this wiper blade insert down, and this was the original size of the wiper blade insert. I'm going to get approximately 3 picks out of this one wiper blade insert. So where can I pick up a wiper blade insert? You can often scrounge these up from junkyards, auto parts store trash cans, or ask your service mechanic next time you get your car worked on to see if they have changed any wiper blades recently that they just threw away, and they'll usually just give them to you, no questions asked. You'll need a marker to mark out your profile for your pick, as well as identifying what material you want to remove from the pick. Now, I found a deal running till 12/11/2022 for a cheap rotary tool at Harbor Freight. For under $20 US, you can have a set of up to 6 picks. Pretty good if you ask me. Optional equipment: a ruler, a template and glue stick for your pick profile. You can also just freehand it with the marker. A vise to hold the pick, and also the rotary tool. You will also want an optional flat surface, such as this scrap piece of desk that I have cut out here. It will be used to help sanding our pick. And finally, if you want to be more precise with your pick making, you can always pick up a set of calipers. This one just so happens to be a digital caliper, but as said before, these are optional items. Now, you have some time before the next episode. If you want to follow along and make a pick with me, go gather your supplies. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, or just want to say hi to the community, leave a comment below, click the thumbs up button, and bell notification for the next episode. Thanks for watching, and we will catch you in the next episode.